Saving money is an important skill that can help you achieve your financial goals and live a more comfortable life. But for many people, saving money can be a challenge. Here are 8 steps to help you save more money. Step 1. Create a budget. The first step to saving money is to know how much you are spending. Start by creating a budget and tracking all of your expenses. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save more money. Step 2. Set savings goals. It's important to have a clear goal in mind when you are trying to save money. This could be anything from saving for a down payment on a house, to building an emergency fund, or planning for retirement. Step 3. Automate your savings. One of the easiest ways to save money is to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings account. This way, you won't have to remember to save money each month. It will happen automatically. Step 4. Cut back on unnecessary expenses. Take a look at your budget and identify areas where you can cut back. This might mean eating out less, canceling subscriptions you don't use, or shopping for sales. Step 5. Use coupons and discounts. Look for coupons and discounts when you are shopping for groceries or other items. Many stores offer loyalty programs that can help you save money over time. Step 6. Pay off high-interest debt. If you have credit card debt or other high-interest loans, it's important to prioritize paying them off. This will help you save money in the long run by avoiding high-interest charges. Step 7. Increase your income. Another way to save more money is to increase your income. This might mean taking on a part-time job or side hustle, asking for a raise at your current job, or starting your own business. Step 8. Stay motivated. Saving money can be a long and sometimes difficult process. It's important to stay motivated by reminding yourself of your goals and celebrating your progress along the way. In conclusion, saving money is an important skill that can help you achieve your financial goals and live a more comfortable life.